I've got 2 words for you. Shape matters. I'm sure most of you know that your body shape is so important when it comes to choosing your clothes. What looks good on an hourglass body won't necessarily look good on someone who's more pear-shaped. But did you know that it's the same thing when it comes to eye shape? If you want to look that'll give you the most gorgeous, beautiful eyes, you need to know your shape first. A look that looks amazing on your friend might not be great for you. So your eye shape should actually determine how to apply the shadow. We wanted to create customized looks for different eye shapes from our new Full Exposure palette. Our awesome R&D team went out and looked at more than 5,000 eyes. They ID'd 6 main shapes: almond, round, upturned, downturned, monolid, and hooded. And we're here today to help you identify your shape. I'll break it down in 4 easy questions. The first thing you need to ask yourself is, do I have a crease? A crease is this indentation right at the top of your lids. If you answered no, then you're a monolid girl. If you answered yes, then the next question is, if you were to put a straight line across your eyes, does your outer corner look like it's lifting up or pulling down? If you answered yes, it lifts up, you have upturned eyes. If you answered yes, it pulls down, you have downturned eyes. But if you answered no, my eyes don't really pull either way, then ask yourself, is my crease visible? If no, your eyes are hooded. If yes, I've got another question for you. Take a look, a really close look at your eyes. Are the whites of your eyes framing your irises when your eyes are open normally? Now your irises are the colored part of your eyes. If yes, you can see the whites around your irises, you've got round eyes. If no, then your eyes are almond. So that's it. Now that you know your eye shape, we want to show you the best application for your eyes. Check out our amazing new Full Exposure palette and you'll find a fantastic insert with 3 looks for every shape. I'm telling you, this isn't one shape fits all makeup anymore, people. We're gonna take your eyes to a whole new level.